Hello everyone, in this lecture I will show how to create basic graphics in JavaFX. Let's open your NetBeans, and in the NetBeans you create one class with the name basic shapes. We will use a graphics template, just copy and paste from this file, fx graphics template file. So you just copy whole thing and paste in your basic shapes file. Then I have changed my canvas width 700 and height 300. I have changed my title of my stage as basic graphics. Now you have to use your code here. So you have created one object for the graphics context class with the name GC. We refer this object always here to create our graphics. So first I will draw a line with stroke line method. So this is my code for drawing a line in JavaFX. If you run the program, you will see there is a line here. Yeah, you see this is a line. In here, I have referred to this GC object, that is the graphics context object, and I use stroke line method. Inside the method, I have four parameters. First one is x1, second is y1, this is x2, and this is y2. So let's see what this parameter means here. So open your JavaFX API and you go to the graphics context class. So under class, you have all the method here. So this is the command I use, stroke line method. So click this one and you see under the stroke line method you have four parameters. The first one is x1, x coordinate of the starting point, y1, y coordinate of the starting point of the line. Then you have x2, this is the x coordinate of the ending point of the line, and y2, y coordinate of the ending point of the line. So this method will join these 2 points to draw a line. So let's go to NetBeans. So this is the command to draw a oval. So this is a fill oval command, and I have here again x value and y value. This will measure the position of my oval, and this is the width of the oval, this is the height of the oval. So I have my height and width same, so this will actually produce one circle. Now let's see if I have the stroke command. So that is the stroke oval command. So if you run the program, now you see this is the stroke oval and this is the fill oval, and I use the same height and width, so that's why it's a circle. If you use different height, then you will see this is the oval. Okay, now run the program. You see, so this is now oval. Okay, then this command fill rect will produce one rectangle. Again, this is the x value and this is the y value, and this is the width of the rectangle, this is the height of the rectangle. Then I have stroke rect. This will produce the rectangle with the stroke command. And I have now here stroke round rect. So this is little bit different than this. This means your rectangle corner will be rounded. So this very last two value is for use to rounding the corner. Okay, now let's run the program and see the shapes. There you go. This is the fill rect command, fill stroke rect command, then this is the rounded rectangle. Okay, now I want to use this arc command to produce the arc. So you have different kinds of arc, then I will use this command to produce the chord types arc. Then this command will produce the round types arc. So in here the first value is x value, then y value, then width of the arc, height of the arc, starting angle, arc angle, and this is the arc type. So you have to use arc type dot open for the open arc. Then here chord arc, here is round arc. Now if you run the program, you will see your arc. See, three different types of arc. Okay, so this was your open arc, and this is chord arc, this is round arc. Now I want to use these three commands to use the stroke arc method. This will produce again three arcs, but this time is stroke arc, and other three was fill arc. Okay, so if you want to see the difference between these two, run the program and you see the difference. here. So this 3 is for the stroke command and this 3 is for the fill command. Okay. Now I want to show you how to draw polygon in JavaFX. So this is the method fill polygon you have to use. Again, you have to refer your object gc, then dot, you use your fill polygon method. And here is an array of your x value, and here is another array for the y value. And this is the number of points because you have 4 x value, 4 y value. That means you have 4 points to produce this polygon. Okay, so first one is x1 and here is your y1, so these two will produce 1 point. Okay, then you have x2 and y2, this will produce second point, similarly third point and fourth point. Now if you run the program, you will see a nice polygon here. There you go, this is your polygon. Okay, now I want to use stroke polygon method with the array of x value, and here is the array of y value, and again number of points are 4. And now let's run the program and see your polygon with the stroke polygon method. Okay, so if you want to see this stroke polygon method in your API, then you go to JavaFX API, and under JavaFX API you have the stroke polygon method here and fill polygon method here. So you just click and you see you have the fill polygon method. There are the x points, there is the array, y point, there is the array, and this is the number of points for the polygon. Okay, so in this way you can produce a lot of shapes in JavaFX. I have shown some basic shapes. Now if you want to produce more, then you can use this JavaFX API and you go to the graphics context class. Under that class you have a lot of comment, lot of method. That method you can call for producing different kinds of shapes. For example, here is the fill text method. This method you can use to add text in your graphics. Okay, so that's all in this lecture. I will see you next lecture.